This is a room tour at the Beau Rivage Casino, room 901 floor. This is on the 9th floor of the Beau Rivage Casino. Quite a bit a ways down from the elevator. So walking into the room, this is a double queen room or two queen bed room. There's a TV, nice sized TV. Get some waters and some dressers, and an ice bucket, and a coffee machine, and a lamp, and a phone, and a mirror. And there's me in the mirror. And then this is the view from the 9th floor of downtown Biloxi. There's part of the casino there. There's a Fat Tuesday across the street, and there's a gas station. The thermostat is right next to the one bed. And then there's an alarm clock, which is good to have. Some rooms don't have that. Another phone and a bed and a mirror. Then looking at the closet, there's a safe in the closet and hangers to hang your clothes on, an ironing board and a luggage rack and an iron. I didn't use any of that. Moving along into the bathroom. Nice little bathroom. There's the toilette and the shower. It's had pretty good pressure. I wish I had a handheld device, but it wasn't. There's some products there. There's a hair dryer that I did not use at all, for those that know me. Hi again. There's another mirror for shaving and makeup and stuff. There's a little soap, and there's some Kleenex, and a nice little sink. And there's also a bathtub in here. Not a jetted tub, just a regular bathtub. So I probably would have used it if it was a jetted tub. And a little bit of artwork on the wall. And of course some tiles that are hanging over there. So that concludes the room tour of 9014. Going down in the elevator to the second floor is where the pool and spa and salon is. So walking through the hallway here, there's nice clothes that they have on for sale. And they have some stores that are actually up here. I've only been up here like twice before. But they have quite a few stores up here, as well as the ones that are down below. Also, the gym is located here on this level. But here's the Beau Rivage Emporium. Of course, they sell Beau Rivage merchandise. Walking out the doors will get you to the pool area and hot tub. Of course, it was raining today, so not the greatest of days. There's the Beau Rivage, the biggest casino in Biloxi. Nice pool area. I've never been in the pool. I've just been around, walking around the area, but it's very nice. It can hold a large amount of people. Walking down to the back of the pool area is a nice little party area that I think I've seen a party here once before, a couple years ago. But, of course, walking all the way to the back here, you get a great view of the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, it wasn't the greatest of days, cloudy and rainy, so not the greatest day. And the water is a little murky over here. But yeah, not too bad of a view. Of course, I went to the Beau Rivage to see LeAnn Rimes in concert. Boy, was it a great concert. It was awesome. And she has some lungs on her still. Welcome to Buc-ee's in Robertsdale, Alabama. So here I am walking up to Buc-ee's. And I love going to Buc-ee's because it's on the way back home to Pensacola. And here's the man himself, Buc-ee. And here is the inside of Buc-ee's. Here's the retail part where they sell all kinds of different stuff for the house. Also lots of shirts and clothes and pretty much anything that you want for your house or for vacation or anything, they have it here. So this is just most of the clothing section over here. And they have t-shirts that change all the time, so there's always different shirts. And of course each Buc-ee's has their own personalized shirts, so there's some Florida stuff in here and all kinds of, just a variety of different things that are here. Bunch of knickknacks and stuff and gifts you can get. You can do all your Christmas shopping here. So anyways, here is a pickup truck that's inside. It has a big Buc-ee in the tailgate part of it. But I come to Buc-ee's for the food. So here's some nuts that are being heated up. They have pecans and cashews and almonds and regular peanuts. They have all kinds of different treats that are available. And fudge. So they have a whole bunch of fudge coming up here. All the variety of kinds. I'm not the greatest fudge fan, but for you fudge fans out there, they have quite the variety. I'm not sure what the prices are on them, but I'm sure no price is high enough for good fudge. We're going to have lots of treats, but we also have Dippin' Dots. So that's pretty cool. But I come here for this kind of food, the barbecue. That's a sliced brisket, or sliced turkey, I guess, too. And the pulled pork sandwich. But what I love the most is the chopped brisket sandwich. It is so good. And you can see the guy preparing some there. And yeah, you look into the kitchen. I've never seen them actually cook it because I've never been here early enough for them to see them cook. But here's them cooking up. I believe that's chopped brisket they're cooking up back there. So, and of course, there's some chips there. And here's the sliced brisket, which is all right. The beaver chips, but here's my favorite, the chopped brisket. I had one of those, and I also got a new sandwich, which is the fried chicken sandwich. Both are really good, but I like chopped brisket the most. There's the Buc-ee sign inside of Buc-ee's, and another cartoon version of Buc-ee. And here's the fountain drink area. And they have all kinds of different fountain drinks. Unfortunately, they don't have any Coke products. Mostly Pepsi. But they do have quite the variety. They do have a lot of Pepsi products in here, though. Diet Mountain Dew is my go-to. What's your favorite kind of pop or soda? Diet Mountain Dew for me, and then a little Code Red Diet Mountain Dew is good. But they don't have Code Red here. But they do have some flavors. You can add flavors. And, of course, they have their own Buc-ee's flavored fountain drinks as well. So, and you can also get an icy here. I remember getting ices at like Kmart and Walmart back in the day, but you can get ices here. They have Pepsi, Wild Cherry, Blue Raspberry, Dr. Pepper, cane soda, pina colada, lemonade, Dr. Pepper, cotton candy, cherry limeade, Mountain Dew, and again Dr. Pepper frozen. So get your icy at Buc-ee's. Of course, everybody loves, or almost everybody loves, the beaver nuggets. If you got a sweet tooth and you like cereal, it reminds me kind of like Captain Crunch, kind of in a way. Corn Pops. But these are beaver nuggets. And of course, I had to buy a bag of those for me. So that's coming home. And of course, if you don't like any of that, they do have quite a variety of sandwiches that are available. Cold sandwiches. They also have lots of pudding. They have cheesecake, pecan pies, fruit, all kinds of fruit. And they have a bunch of meats and cheeses and stuff. Here's some more of that. Here's some salads to go that are already prepared. So for all you salad fans, of course they have dressings as well for those. And there's a charcuterie with the meats and the cheeses. And they have a bakery too. So they have muffins and cinnamon rolls and cookies and danishes and different kinds of breads. So they have quite the selection. And they also have quite a selection of beef jerky. They have all kinds of different beef jerky sausages out there. So here's all the beef jerky they have. They have just a variety of kinds. And you'll see some more here coming up. But yeah, they have some sausage rings up there, and then more jerky. I mean, they got a full display case of jerky. It just keeps going and going and going. All this jerky. And then they have a little cold freezer with sausages in it and some other items as well. And then they have a wall of beef jerky. So here's all the packaged beef jerky they have. And this is just one part. They have another part in the store where they have more as well. So, but here is all the gas pumps that are at Buc-ee's. There are no trucks here. There's just cars and vans and stuff like that. But they have quite the number of pumps. So, of course, they get a picture with Buc-ee. And cruising along here through Florida, driving over the state line in Florida, and we're going to head to the Visitor Center, or the Welcome Center of Florida, on Interstate 10. And of course, you get your photo op with the Florida Welcomes You sign. They don't want you to stop on the interstate, so they want you to come here and get your picture taken here. And I've done that before. And they have a replica. I think it's a replica. I don't think it's a real Blue Angel plane. The F-9 Cougar. And of course, Pensacola is famous for the home base of the Blue Angels. They have air shows every once in a while here. So, pretty cool. Nice little photo op. And there it is in all of its glory. And here is the Florida Welcome Center. Of course, Disney World is celebrating its 50th anniversary. Just started, or just kicked off just not so long ago. And the Visit Florida is their business or model. Welcome to Florida. Open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I believe they still give out orange juice samples. Free orange juice samples, I'm not sure. Anyways, here's the Visit Florida, or at least the map of Florida. And inside they have a photo op of the Walt Disney World teacup for the 50th anniversary. So that's kind of cool. They also have a photo op with the chairs there. And then they have a astronaut model in here. So that was kind of cool. Well, that was my trip. Thank you all very much for watching.